Hello everyone, welcome to our automatic structural takeoff work between CAD Excel and our premium QS Auto Pro tool. My name is Choi Sokwan Giri. I have been doing as a senior quantity surveyor for more than 7 years. During that time, I have known that there's so many quantity surveyors that have been doing their work with a manual work. Just get the data and type it in the quantity, okay? And right now, as we know, we are the AI generation, okay? So we have to get something done faster, okay, with our work. Okay, perfect. So you can see here, there will be a tool in the AutoCAD link into the Excel with BBA automatically. You don't have to type in any data or amount of quantity, okay? Included with a 155 plus tool in there that can help us with our workflow, make it faster, more accurately, and also save us like 80% of our time. Okay, so now let's go into our tool. You can see here, that's why I'm saying please stop wasting the time on the manual work. All right, want to full CAD data control. Okay, so in there will be a 150 plus CAD and Excel tool. I'm gonna show you more details in a second. And also fast workflow that save us a lot of time. Also, with our tool, that can be linked between AutoCAD and Excel. You can show it to the client, your boss, your line manager, your teamwork, something like that. Where's the item are if when we have the variation order, we have the new design, the revision, we can be changed just a second. It helps us a lot. I have been doing this for 7 years, and in that course I'm gonna show you everything about the structural work. Okay, perfect. And you can see with our tool we can be used with structural, architect, and pivot all in one place. Okay, and it will save us like 80% of our time. Okay, perfect. So this tool will be included with this course with 1 year for free. Okay, after that it's an optional, you can renew it if you like, but I hope you will like it. Yeah, just a second. If not, because I have provided the full format sheet for you that I have been working for more than 7 years. Okay, let's go to the more detail. Okay, perfect. You can see here the module 01. You can see the main work, we call it the main work. And you can see there's so many type of the command. As you can see here the shortcut that you can be used to have your work much more faster. And here this description itself that it's so that what you're gonna do, okay, such as put the thickness of the slab, pick the name beam, and select the beam object, the length of it. You can see it's so easy to understand. And then we have the beam, we have the takeoff wall, column footing, and slab. As you can see, we have the brick wall finish and another brick wall, as you can see. Perfect. So let me go through first. Okay, we will talk detail in our lesson. Okay, next is the rebar slab. Okay, the rebar, as you can see, there's so many types of it. There will be 7 of it. Okay, but I would like mention that's 2 that I most common use in the top one, and the slab rebar by selecting area. This one is really fast. Okay, I'm gonna show you just a second, kind of like a magic. It's less than 1 minute, trust me. All you need is an area of the slab that we need and the name of the rebar, how many layer that you need. 2 click, you will get the total kg or ton of the slab. Okay, perfect. Let me go through a bit. And rebar structure, here is also the important part. We got the beam schedule and beam selection, the section itself. Okay, so what I have been through is the beam schedule. I used to tender a mall, a really big mall, okay, around 5 million as I remember, and they provide us only the schedule, the beam schedule only, with no section, no any like shop drawing or anything. Okay, so I have prepared well with this one. Okay, it's ready to use. Okay, I'm gonna show you in the lesson. Okay, and the beam section as well, this is the most common that we meet. Okay, this one we got single span, left end span, mid span, right, cantilever, and section, anything. Okay, I have prepared everything for you. All you need to do, collect the data, put the code in, and then you copy with the running number. That's it. You will generate the kg, the tonnage of the beam. I'm gonna show you like a magic. Okay, and we got column, foundation, and form rebar. You can see we got so many types, even the round. Okay, foundation, and especially with the element rebar, with this one, that basically mean that you can see there's so many type of it. Basically mean it doesn't matter where you're from, what type of detail that you have, this tool can be done, okay, with the type that detail that you have. Okay, because as you can see, we got shape, cut, L, U, V, anything. Okay, next, PDF shop drawing. As you can see, we got PDF underlay in case we got a PDF file, and we got a shop drawing for the tile and brick, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna show you just a second. And we move to the utility. This one is quite helpful. Okay, we got so important like count, take, quantity, combine two, take into one, and so many more. Generate boundary after multiple, hatch, you know, the ceiling, floor tile, anything, you know. And there are a lot more you can see here. And the most important and useful one, as I mentioned earlier, is that define AutoCAD. You can see in the Excel. I'm gonna show you in a second, because this is really useful when the design change happen and then you have done your quantity. Okay, and then the designer come and say, hey, we have the design change on the beam or parquet or the column. All you need to do is just go straight to the previous detail and then click on it. You will get directly to the Excel that you have the quantity already, and then all you need to do is just go in there and check and divide based on the latest detail. That's it. It's really helpful, as you can see. Save us a lot of time. Okay, and we got auto lib as well, OMP work as well. Okay, you can see we got we can count the quantity, the length, anything. Okay, also the steel frame, you can see. All right, so with this course we will include with this tool for free for 1 year, and after that you can renew it or not. It up to you. It's an optional. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna show you in the Excel and CAD. You can see here's the Excel, here's the CAD, here's our lesson. Okay, we got everything. I put it into each category first. All right, perfect. First of all, I would like to go through our format a bit. You can see here is the rebar itself. Okay, we got so many more. Let me go rustly because I don't want the video is too long. Okay, you can see here so many format. You can see this format is ready. I have been doing it such as the real project. It's practical. Okay, it's not just a theory with this course. It's practical. I collect all the data that I need for my last 7 years and put it in here for the structural work. Okay, let me hide rebar form. You can see here I have prepared everything, even the classification of the rebar. Once you calculate the rebar itself, it automatically classify for you. So after you have done all of it, you got the project, you win the tender. All you need to do is submit this classification to the construction team, and then they will order the rebar directly. And you can see this is how good with our tool is. And you can see so many elements in here. I have well prepared for you guys. All right, perfect. Let's go through a bit. Let me hide this one back. All right, perfect. So now here's our lesson. Let's go to briefly show you a bit. Okay, so the cut, you can see, you go to QS Auto Pro tool and then find item. You can see here's the location of the parquet that we have done. In case you need to show this to your boss, your line manager, to your client, it's really easy. If they ask you like, where is this item? Okay, it's right here. The size of it, the height of it, any parameter we can put it down here. Okay, and one more thing, let me unhide the reference code that you can see. I'm gonna show you like a magic one more. All right, perfect. If I want to know this pie cap, where is it in our Excel? Because there will be a design change. Okay, from the high, let's say 400 to 700. Okay, right, so all you need to do, go to utility and then find item, and then you select on it. You can see it's so clearly there will be PC2, the high 500. If it changed to like 700, just type 700 and we will get the new quantity. You can see both concrete and formwork automatically. I will show you the formwork just a second. Let me control Z. Okay, you can see if I wish, let me escape it. If I wish to find this one, okay, here it is. You can see fast, easy, accelerated detailing. Okay, and let me show you how to do it. Just one click. Okay, you go to manual and you type the high or the full. Let me example font it. Okay, all you need to do is click the name and click the polyline around the Takeoff Excel. Perfect. As you can see, now we got the name, we got the number of it, we got the parameter, everything, the total as well. You can see we don't have to type in anything, and also we got the the reference tag, as you can see, and also the formula automatically calculate for us. So one arrow, two bird, as you can see. The remaining one only the rebar. You can see this is how useful with our tool. Okay, there are more than that I cannot show you right now. Let me remove this one back. Okay, let me show you a few things. Okay, let me example here the tile that we need to count and order it in the construction state. Okay, when we got the project, we need to order the tile. How to do it, let me go quick for you guys. Okay, we have the layout, we put the pieces tag inside the box of one flat piece of tile, and then you type TIL, isolate layer, as you can see, and then go to utility and then count quantity, select all of it and enter. Perfect. And you can see there will be 39 pieces. Sorry, there will be 39 pieces, as you can see. Let me put the layer back, as you can see. And if the client or your line manager say, so where is it, I want to see it, you click on it and it will find automatically. And so here boss is our quantity based on this layout. Here is the amount of it. All right, you can see. Perfect. Another way, let me show you, is about the shop drawing. Okay, here is the quantity of the tile. We do a shop drawing of it. You select the area that we need based on our layout of the building and select the size of it, or you can import of it, the new one, you know. But in here, let's put 600 by 600. You can see it generate the shop drawing for us. You can see the shape, cut, everything, and it's summary for us. You can see the size 600 by 600. There will be 128 pieces and another small one. And now we got the total of the pieces of the tile, and then we can place an order. As you can see, it's so useful with this tool. You can see here. And another one, let's go to the rebar. Just a quick look, you know. We got a Takeoff method 01, method 02. Let me go for the method 02. You can see here how we calculate the rebar of the Takeoff in method 02. You can see here, and it shows exactly where is the rebar itself. If the client want to change this, we can change to, you know, D12 or anything. And if you want to find it, here it is. And where is this, you know, you can see it's really good with this tool. Okay, and another thing I'm going to show you is about the slab. Okay, it's really fast. As you can see, we got only the boundary, the area that we need for our slab, and the detail, and the how many layers that we need, the rebar of the slab. You can see, let's go to the slab rebar and use this one, the V shape. Let me example it, go through it because I don't want the video is too long. And type the thickness of the slab is okay, 120. Pick the name and pick the object. 3 click, as you can see. Boom. Let me escape it. You can see we got the total quantity of the slab itself, one layer. If you want another layer, just copy and pass it. That's it. So now we got the total of it. As you can see, this is really accurate. I have been using it for more than 7 years as a senior quantity surveyor, and for today I would like to share it to all our students around the world for the performance as a quantity surveyor, because this tool, you're gonna love it, you're gonna use it for your daily work and execute the work and have the work done faster. Okay, as you can see here, we got the tool that we need. You can see. Okay, let me go through one by one. Here you can see. So in lesson detail, I'm gonna show you more on each tool, and also have a bonus video with all the tool that we have here, how to use it correctly. Okay, so I think for this one I would like to show you one more, the beam, because beam is the most complicated element, you know, to take off. As you can see here, our format, the beam, you can see all you need is just doing one beam and then copy and put the code, and it will look up everything. And you can see how good with this one. And you can see if it becomes 0, it means this beam, it doesn't have this type of detail. You can see the sidebar, everything, and it becomes 0. Just ignore this one because it's not affect our quantity. You can see it becomes 0 because it doesn't have the detail based on our design. So you can see it's really easy. You just done one, and all you need is copy and put the code running number, which it type of the span. And you can see here is the single. You can see mid span and span, and we will talk this later on in the detail. You can see, and it also classification the size of the rebar. You can see there will be 4 ton of the rebar, and there will be 419 of RB8, and there will be 600 for the DB10, and there will be another 2.9k or ton of the DB16. You can see and the total will become 4 ton, as you can see. So perfect. So here is the thing that I want to show you with this cost, and let me get back to, yep. So this is our cost, and I hope you guys like it, and see you for the next lesson in the more detail. Thank you.